Buenas and hafade manyay nahuds and manyelu husipit santus tatlu. Today's April 1st, 2025. I just came from a funeral over in Malesu, one of my aunts. Uh, as many of you may know, my roots are originally from Malesu. Anyways, I met my uncle at the funeral. Uh, it's his sister that passed away. We used to serve together in the Guam Police Department, and we started chatting. And he asked me, he said, I was surprised that you came back to Guam because when you left the Guam Police Department and joined the active duty military, I thought you were never going to return because that's usually what happens. People join the military, they leave, and then they never come back to Guam. And I served 8 years in the police department. I loved it, but I needed to go off island to do something more, uh, broader experience. And that's what the military provided for me. I served my country and it provided me with experiences, training, and education. And I was telling my uncle, I really agonized about leaving when I did because the kids were very young and I really wanted them to grow up here on Guam. But I knew that going into the military would be good for me and it would be good for them as well. They would be well rounded, they would have experiences, you know, uh, further, away from the shores of Guam. Guam is a beautiful place and it's always going to be home. But it's good to go out and experience the world. And then, my intention was always to bring that experience and training and come back home. Never intended to stay away forever. Guam is my home. Um, my kids grew up in Germany, Washington, Texas, California, you name it. We've been all over Europe. We've been to many different places in the world, and they're better people for it. And I'm a better person for it. And, um, you know, it's just one of those things that my uncle caught me off guard, and he's like, "Oh, I never thought you were going to come back home." But that was never my intent to leave the island permanently. My intent was always to come back home. I mean, look, I'm here in Umatic Bay now. I stopped by because it is such a beautiful place, and the South is always going to have a special place in my heart. But you know, sometimes these thoughts come into your head, and I just wanted to capture it and just dwell on it for a little bit. So I guess the other reason too is to all you people out there that are in the States or in the military somewhere else, come back home. Come back home to Guam. Take what you've learned, take what you've experienced, and come back home to Guam. You know, our island is always going to be our home, and our people are always going to need more professionals, more people that can bring their experiences and serve the island and make Guam a better place. I do have several acquaintances that I know of that have recently returned back to Guam for good after doing similarly what I did, you know. And I've been back for 10 years now, but it's it's always going to be home. Guam's always going to be home. And in addition to those folks that I know that have returned, you know, recently, to come back home permanently. I know a few others who are in the process or are about to come back within a year or 2 years or even 3 years. But the point is, come home. Home is where the heart is. Home is where you need to be. You need to be here, and home needs you to be here. You know, you will never feel, you know, as part of any community as much as you will here back home in Guam. So come on back, come on home, bring your skills, bring your experiences, bring your training and your education, and serve the people once more. That's it for today. This is Masi.